I wish I could go.
Damn, you can't even go, huh?
No, dude, I'm stuck at work. I'm stuck at work, man.
You're gonna go. You're quitting, dude.
You're wit, dude. I would have to quit my job to go out jet skiing with you guys today.
It's alright.
What's up, guys? So backstory. My one of our good buddies, Dan, he bought like the top of the line Yamaha jet ski, like balled out. And then he's hitting us up. He's like, "When you guys gonna go buy jet skis? When you guys gonna go buy jet skis?" We're not going out here and getting this big fat loan for a jet ski that's gonna sit around half the year because we get tired of it and we're gonna have to keep paying on it and all this crap. So we went on Craigslist, or no, Marketplace. We went on Marketplace and found like a couple $1,500 Yamaha Wave Ventures 1995, like retro as heck, 2-strokes. Picked them up, cleaned them up, tuned them up, and he's about to go out jet skiing, and we're about to pull up and with our jet skis and troll the shit out of him. So, and I guess we're gonna go out and go jet skiing for the day. So. Dude, where's your, oh, you got your trunks on. Dude, we're going jet skiing. You excited?
Hell yeah.
I had to quit my job.
I feel like we might be on the come up. Knew I was a problem, how I showed up. Didn't I have to set?
Hey, so some people spend 30 grand on trucks and $2,000 on jet skis. And some people spend $2,000 on trucks and $30,000 on jet skis. Dude, why are you whining? We're out here about to have some fun. We got 2 matching skis. Dude, he's scared to scratch his. Yeah, pull forward. No, don't back up. We'll be on some video. Oh God, spinning. Gotta put it in 4x4. Oh. You're out? Pull up. You gotta unstrap it before you back it in the water and put your plugs in, you clown. First day at the boat ramp.
Yeah, I know. That's why
Plugs are in at least. What a clown.
I'm out of the game, man.
He's already... Hey, you put the strap the right way like I taught you. Yeah, what a clown. No key, you idiot. Oh my God, I can't even make this up, dude. I can't. I mean, he acts like he knows about stuff and then he tries to get to the boat ramp. He can't even launch his ski. It's strapped on. And then he sends me out in the water to wait for him without the key. I'm just drifting away. My ski's all tied up looking mint. Dude, look at that, dude. That's what $1,200 looks like right there, brother.
He's got his looking nice and clean.
Dude, this thing is dialed too. We got matching skis. I'm gonna make him swim out here if I drift past the dock. Oh! Come in. Good. Hey, dude, go out in front, but like keep a steady pace so you make like a nice wake so I can fucking cross it. Dude, this is so fun. Out here, 1995 matching skis with my boy.
Mine's a 96.
Oh,
We need a pit.
where are we at? We're over here. You're out there. What's happening? Tell us the story.
All I know is that these guys got 295s that they can beat.
Mine's a 96.
96.
No one cares about your
Solid
96.
rig. I can't even. I'm mixed up. Whose is whose right now? He's got the nicer seat.
Yeah, his seat's in better shape. Mine's Ripley. Dude, we rode up here 15 mile an hour, slammed into the sand. Dan had to park way out yonder so he doesn't scratch his.
Yamaha warranty doesn't allow it. You gotta have that
Polymer
warranty.
on it or something?
Do we have warranties? Damn, those are nice. Mine must have broke off 20 years ago. Hey, dude, that's a nice ski, bro. Be a shame if somebody sprayed it with salt water.
I'm out of gas.
You're out.
I think so.
Ew!
Hey, you got any gas?
You're out of gas?
It's flashing.